Hey, good morning, Math 7 students. All right, so today you have one Khan Academy to do. I think this one isn't necessarily that hard, but it does take some explanation and will take you a little time to do it. So we're just doing one Khan today. So we're going to do the first example right up here, which is -3/7 plus -3/4. Now, if you remember from last time, I told you we always want to start with a plus sign between them. Well, this one has it. So now, how do you solve your fractions? Well, the nice part is we want a common denominator. To do that, we take this denominator of 7 and this denominator of 4, and we're going to multiply those two together. So 7 times 4 is a nice little arrow right here equals what? 28. So that's what goes on the bottom of the denominator. So that part's pretty simple. Now, to figure out the top part of the denominator, we're going to take and cross multiply. We're going to take this 4 times this 3. So let's see if I can do this. You'll notice I have a blue line here. Take this 4 times this -3. -3 times 4 is -12. And then we're going to take this -3 and this +7. Denominators are always positive, guys, just so you know that. Denominators always positive. So this +7 times that -3 equals -21. So again, -3 times 4 was -12. 7 times -3 is -21. Notice I put the addition sign between them. -12 plus -21 makes an even bigger negative, which is, oh, I didn't put the negative sign in front of there. I should do that. Let's put a little negative sign right in front of there. This should equal negative, whee, there it is. And that's really kind of hard to see that negative, so I'm going to put it right there. -33/28. So that's how you do that. And I don't care if the negative goes in front of it, and Khan doesn't care if the negative goes with the top number. The negative just never goes with the bottom number. Bottom numbers, denominators, are always positive. So that's how you do the first one. Second one. Uh-oh. Does anyone notice a problem with this one right off the bat? Yeah, it's a minus sign. Mr. Anderson doesn't like subtraction, so we're going to get rid of that subtraction. No, not that right there. Let's go back. Hey, give me a break here. All right, going back to this problem. Right there, let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can do it without touching that green line. Hey, I did it. We're going to change this to plus the opposite. Well, what's the opposite of a negative? The opposite of a negative is a positive. So now it's a plus a positive. Do you notice how magical that was? Yes, that took a lot of work to figure that one out. So you're welcome, guys. All right. So now, first step, take our two denominators and we do what to the two of them? Hopefully you remembered. We multiply them together. 3 times 5 is 15. Very good, guys. Very good. All right, next step. We're going to take this -1 and we're going to multiply it by this 5. We're going to it's kind of almost like calling it cross multiply. So -1 times 5, what would that equal? -5, very good. Then we're doing this +3 because denominators are always positive. +3 times +3 now because we changed it. And that equals 9. So -1 again times 5 is -5. 3 times +3 is +9. So -5 plus 9, which is bigger, the positive or the negative? Hopefully you're saying the positive is. And how much bigger is it? That's right, it's 4/15 bigger. Oh, right, so we've done number 2. Oh, by the way, I'm going to put this one back up on the board here that we did earlier, just so you can all remember what we did there. Boom! So that's up there as well. All right, last one. Here we go. How do we find the common denominator? We multiply them. I know some of you are thinking a little different, but just go with me for a second. We multiply them. So 3 times 6 is, what? What's 3 times 6? 18. Very good, very good, very good. Then, is it a plus sign? Yeah, it is a plus sign. So we want plus. That's a good thing. So now we can get right into our cross multiply. We can take this +6 times +6, which is +36. And then we can take this +3, because it's a denominator, times this -1 for -3. So we have the +36 from these two, the -3 from these two. Notice I made it a plus sign in the middle. 36 plus negative 3, which is bigger, the positive or the negative? The positive is. How much bigger? 33 over 18. Well, problem, guys. 33 over 18 can simplify, and Con wants you to simplify. So, we could divide both of these by 3. What is 18 divided by 3? 6. Very good. What's 33 divided by 3? 11. So our final answer is 11 over 6. Hopefully that makes sense. Do a great job on this one, guys. If you have questions, come see me. Class, during office hours, you know the routine by now. We'll see you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.